Hey, Nathan here with checkmyleads.com. I just wanted to put together a quick tutorial on one strategy to be able to collect email addresses to be able to prospect. So here I'm in Google Sheets and I have in column A email. And I also have a Chrome plugin called Email Hunter, which is right here. And that's going to come in handy in just a moment. So I'm going to come over to Google Maps and I'm searching Seattle personal injury. And I'm going to open up the first result and go to the website. All right, so just give it a moment for the website to load. All right, and as it's loading, I'm going to see if any emails are being generated by clicking here. And okay, so we have one email. So I'm going to copy that, come over to my email list and paste that. Okay, I'm going to close this, come back to Google Maps and open up another website. All right, so we have this website here, same process. Okay, we have another email address. I'm going to copy that, come over to my list and paste. All right, so now we have two email addresses. And so now I'm going to open up, check my leads and have that start. Okay, so we want to verify that these are real email addresses. So I'm going to select email. It's currently verifying my logged in account. And the next step is I need to put in the first cell location of the first email address, which is A2. So I'm going to put in A2 and come down here and click on test emails. All right, so it's currently processing that and we'll have a result here in a moment. All right, so we have a result, and unfortunately in this example, both are considered risky. So in order to determine what the response means, I can come back to my add-ons and go to Manage Add-ons. All right, and I'm going to come down to check my leads and click on it. And here in the description, we have a description of what these responses mean. So the response was risky. So we have our email status description, risky. So it means the email address is valid, but it may cause delivery issues. If you're having deliverability issues, don't send email to risky addresses. All right, so in that example, it would probably be best practice to skip these two email addresses, but continue to prospect to be able to collect others. So anyways, that concludes this tutorial on a quick strategy to be able to collect email addresses using Email Hunter, Chrome add-on, Google Maps, as well as Check My Leads, Google Sheets add-on. All right, stay tuned for further tutorials. Thank you so much.